The long wait is finally over. Elon Musk's Tesla Model Pi phone has just been released and it will be on sale from July 15th. How is this futuristic phone different from the other smartphones in the market? Is it worth buying? Join me today in this video as we explore Elon Musk's Tesla Model phone that will be on sale from July 15th. Tesla founder and CEO has now dipped his toes in the smartphone industry. This is just interesting considering that the tech billionaire has already revolutionized the electric vehicle industry through his Tesla company. He is also a big player in space and rocket technology through his company SpaceX. So what exactly does this new Tesla phone have to offer that will entirely change the smartphone industry? Most smartphones have a very limited storage and RAM capacity, but the case is totally different from Elon Musk's Tesla phone that has a storage of up to 2 terabytes. I just can't figure out what will fill up that much space. As usual, the futuristic phone makes your life easier. As a user, it greatly reduces the phone accessories that you need to walk around with. It has already eliminated the need of walking around with a charger and portable Wi-Fi device, and now you will not have to walk with your external storage since the phone has sufficient storage. While other smartphones such as the iPhone 13 Pro Max has RAM of 6 GB, the Tesla Pi phone has RAM of 16 GB. In that effect, the phone will not slow down even when you install a number of mobile phone games. Tesla phone will have a powerful processor as it will be used to mine cryptocurrency. It will be used to mine Mars coin, which is the digital currency that will be used in Mars by humans when they become a multiplanetary species. The crypto mining capabilities of the phone give us a hint on how strong the processor is. Other cryptos such as Bitcoin are quite hectic to mine. A miner uses multiple computers when mining cryptocurrency. Therefore, the Pi phone's processor is so powerful to an extent that it can do work that is normally done by a number of desktop computers. The mining properties make the Tesla phone an asset as it can be used to make money. The Tesla Pi is also going to be one of the most sustainable phones in history by including easily replaceable parts. This encourages the users to solve minor hardware defects instead of discarding the entire handset or paying frequent visits to technicians. The company provides respectable customer support, but now it will provide an elaborate guide and a giant storehouse of parts to the customer. It means you can fix or upgrade your phone from the comfort of your own home at your own pace. It is just mind-blowing that the Pi phone owners will be charging the gadget using solar energy. The casing of Tesla's smartphone will be fitted with extremely small but powerful solar panels that will be used in the charging exercise. The several miniature solar panels are designed to convert solar energy into electrical energy. Millions of units of electrical energy will be saved around the world. If this feature is implemented, this also means that you will not receive a charger with your handset. While not receiving a charger is inconvenient for Apple customers, it's not so for Tesla Pi users. We agree that this charging option is one of the most appreciated aspects of the Tesla Pi. Most people have just been wondering about the price of the Tesla phone. You can now relax because I have an answer for you. Elon Musk's products will attract a relatively higher price as they come with a brand and they are also of high quality. Nevertheless, the phone's price will be determined by taking into consideration the competitors' prices. It is expected that the price range of the phone will be between $80 and $120. The affordable cost of the Python ensures that most people experience the futuristic model without incurring heavy debts. If you think Apple charges the same price, $1,399 for its latest product, this number seems more absurd when one compares the iPhone 13 Pro Max's features with that of the Tesla Pi. If you have more than 3 SIM cards, you are likely walking around with 2 or more phones. It is just very cumbersome, but if you have 3 or more Facebook accounts, you will only need 1 smartphone for you to log into all of them. It is not even necessary for the device to belong to you. You can just visit any cybercafe, log into all on your 3 Facebook accounts without any limitations. As expected, the Tesla Pi phone is diverting from the norm of SIM cards in the smartphone world. You will not need a SIM card in your Tesla Model Pi phone. SIM cards tend to limit our communication as they often come with a very high calling cost when you want to talk to someone abroad, but with the Tesla phone all of that will be a thing of the past as SIM cards will be unnecessary. The other phones in the market have tried to come up with smaller SIM cards, but they are yet to achieve a connection without a SIM card. The evolution of the SIM card started with a mini SIM to a micro SIM before moving to a nano SIM and finally a chip on July 15th. You will have the chance of exploring the high-quality camera of Elon Musk's new and amazing phone. The Tesla Pi phone will have a 108-megapixel camera with 4 lenses. The camera technology in Elon's phone will be greatly advanced as the phone will be used on Earth, space and even Mars. Therefore it must have a strong camera that can take high-quality pictures of distant astronomical objects. With the phone, astronomers will take top-quality pictures in dark or low light at any instant. You will expect the SpaceX astronomers to be using the phone to take photos as they make their first trip to Mars. Other than the superior cameras, the phone's beauty is predicted to offer some of the most astonishing features you can imagine. The unique coating of the phone's body is one of the phone's most amazing visual surprises. The phone's unique coating allows it to change color, giving it a beautiful look. The model's photos reveal a striking resemblance to the iPhone 12, but as promised, the Pi will be far superior to its Apple rival. It is possible to change the outer color of the phone while in the sun after every 30 minutes. The Tesla Model Pi phone comes with an insane battery capacity of 7,000 milliamps. The storage capacity of the Tesla phone is greater than that of other smartphone brands. Tesla has been doing a very good job in battery technology as they are working on lithium-ion batteries. Tesla's innovation in the batteries has given their EVs a good range. The Tesla team has even greater plans in matters of battery innovation. They are working on the batteries that will even power the yet-to-be-released Tesla electric jet. The Tesla Model Pi phone comes with Neuralink technology, which is focused on making communication from one computer to another very possible. The Neuralink company is working on implanting a chip in the brain of human beings. As such, there will be a direct communication from the chip to the Pi phone. For example, one will only need to express a desire by thinking about YouTube for it to open on your phone. There will be no need of taking the phone to manually open YouTube. Elon Musk revealed in a tweet that Neuralink is the next big thing by saying definitely not smartwatches and phones or yesterday's technology. Neuralinks are the future. No wonder this phone is futuristic. You will be surprised to know that the yet-to-be-launched Tesla Model Pi phone will have inbuilt Wi-Fi. It is making the wireless connection of the future a reality. But how will this even be possible? The Tesla Pi smartphone will connect directly to the Starlink satellite internet. As such, the Tesla phone will not be impacted by weather and can be used in remote places such as in mountains and forests without losing connectivity. Users of Tesla's new phone will also enjoy high download speeds of up to 200 megabits per second. The network connectivity is made possible by the Starlink satellites that are being launched into space. So far, Elon SpaceX has launched more than 1,700 satellites with a larger plan of sending 4,200 Starlink satellites into space. Starlink's satellite internet service is currently in use around the world, such as Alaska. Subscribers part with $99.99 per month so as to enjoy the satellite internet, which is now in 29 countries around the world. Starlink is a subsidiary of Elon Musk's space company known as SpaceX that offers satellite internet. The beauty of it all is that it is now based in all of these 7 continents, as seen in a tweet by SpaceX that reads: first 2 countries in Africa with Starlink regulatory approval. Starlink is now licensed on all 7 continents. This simply means that all the users of the Pi phone can connect to Starlink internet from whatever place on Earth. Elon Musk's iPhone will come with a pre-installed Tesla app that will be used specifically for controlling the locking, unlocking and even summoning the car. It will be quite an experience controlling a fully autonomous car with your Tesla phone. Other Tesla car owners who do not have the Tesla Pi phone will have to download the Tesla app. Android users will download the Tesla app from Google Play Store, while the iPhone user will download it from the Apple App Store. The Tesla Pi phone will not just be the remote control for the Tesla car, but all other Tesla products such as the Tesla Home. In case you visit a shopping mall and forget where you parked your Tesla car, you will just summon the car with your Tesla phone. Elon Musk's Pi phone will hit the market on July 15th, and it comes with all these wonderful features that will make it a phone of choice. Many iPhone and Samsung users are expected to discard their phones that they are now using for the Tesla Model Pi phone from July 15th. Anyways guys, if you want to see more interesting videos, click the video right above. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe with all notifications enabled so that you don't miss out on the latest Elon Musk news.